Your Maps app just learned how to order your lunch, book your hotel, and buy your concert tickets. And the scariest part? It did it before you even asked. This is not a tech demo. This is Google Maps turning into something you have never seen before. For years, Google Maps was the app you opened when you were lost. Type an address, follow the blue line, arrive. That is it. But in August 2026, Google flipped the switch on a version of Maps that does not just show you the world. It acts inside the world. It can order food from restaurants near your house, compare hotel prices for a conference you have next weekend, and find comedy shows happening tonight near your office. It can even read your email and your calendar to guess where you are going before you tell it. By the end of this video, you will understand how this works, what it means for your privacy, and the 5 ways this one app is quietly becoming the most powerful AI assistant on your phone. Let us start with the biggest change. Maps stopped being a map. Google calls the new feature Ask Maps, and it is the same AI chat interface Google has been pushing into its apps, but pointed at the physical world. Instead of searching for restaurants and scrolling through photos, you can ask a full question. Something like, where can I order vegan avocado toast and an oat milk latte near home? Ask Maps does not just give you a list. It finds matching restaurants, lets you pick one, fills a cart, and hands you to Square, Toast, or Uber Eats to pay. The entire journey from craving to checkout happens inside Maps. For hotels, ask for a decently priced, top-rated place with an artsy vibe near a gym for next weekend's conference in Miami. The AI compares prices and availability before showing options. And for events, ask what comedy shows are on tonight near work and get ticket links right there. This is not search results on a page. This is an agent that understands your sentence and completes a real-world task. Here is where it gets personal, and honestly a little creepy. Google is adding something called personal intelligence to Ask Maps. That means the AI can pull information from your Gmail and your Google Calendar to answer questions about your actual life. Ask it what time you land in Vancouver, and it checks your email confirmation and tells you. Ask for recommendations near your hotel, and it knows which hotel you booked. The feature also has conversation memory, so you can ask, what activities did you suggest for my trip to Seattle? And it remembers the previous chat. Now, before you panic, personal intelligence is off by default. You have to opt in. But here is the thing that matters. The moment you turn it on, Google's AI has access to your inbox and your schedule. That is an enormous amount of personal data, and it changes the privacy math of a navigation app completely. The trade-off is convenience you have never had before. But you need to know what you are agreeing to. Let us talk about why this is a bigger deal than a Maps update. For years, the tech industry has talked about AI agents, software that does not just answer questions but takes actions. Google, OpenAI, and Anthropic have all shipped chatbots. But chatbots live in a box. They cannot touch the physical world. Google Maps is different because it already has the infrastructure, hundreds of millions of users, real-time location data, business listings, traffic, transit, and now payments partnerships with Square, Toast, and Uber Eats. By putting an agent inside Maps, Google skipped the hard part. It did not build a new platform. It turned an app you trust into the agent's body. Analysts see this as the clearest signal yet that the agent era is not about chat windows anymore. It is about embedding AI into the tools people already use every single day. Now the competition question. Google is not alone in this race. Amazon-owned Zoox starts charging for Robotaxi rides in Las Vegas on August 10, and Uber has committed $10 billion to deploy 120,000 driverless vehicles. Those are agents too, just with wheels. Meanwhile, OpenAI and Anthropic are building desktop agents that operate your computer for you. But here is what makes Maps different: it is free, it is on billions of phones, and it already knows where you are. Google's bet is that the first AI agent most people actually use will not be a robot or a desktop assistant. It will be the little blue dot on their screen. Once you are comfortable letting Maps order your food, the next step is booking your vacation, then planning your entire day. Every successful action builds trust, and trust is what the agent economy runs on. So what should you do? First, the new features roll out to US users first, with personal intelligence and the live transit widget available everywhere Ask Maps exists. Second, check your settings before you enable anything. Personal intelligence reads your Gmail and calendar, and that data is the price of the convenience. Third, understand that this is the direction all of your apps are heading. Every company with a chat interface is trying to turn it into an agent, and Maps is just the most visible example because it touches the physical world. The smart play is not to avoid these tools but to use them with your eyes open. Control what you share, review what the AI can access, and remember you can always turn it off. Google Maps just became the first map that does things instead of just showing them. It orders food, books hotels, buys tickets, and reads your calendar to stay one step ahead. That is either the most useful app upgrade of the decade or the biggest privacy shift nobody signed up for, probably both. If you learned something today, hit that subscribe button right now, because we break down the biggest AI changes every single day. And drop a comment: would you let your Maps app order your lunch? I want to know where you draw the line. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.